Kailan masarap ang hapunan? Kapag may pagdiriwang. Anong nagpapasarap sa pagkainan? Ang pagsasama-sama ng mabubuting puso. We welcome all of you to a heart-filled celebration of the 34th sacerdotal anniversary of our Most Reverend Oscar Jaime L. Florencio, a man of faith and a faithful steward of the Church. We thank you for your magnanimity as you take part in a synodal gathering of arts for spiritual growth and pastoral programs on the Shrine of St. Therese, a church dedicated to the patroness of missions. Masarap kumain at sumayaw bilang pasasalamat sa Diyos sa kanyang tuloy-tuloy na katapatan, walang hanggang habang at umaapaw na biyaya. This gathering is sacred to us because you are special to us. Thank you for sharing your life with us and for enlivening this night with your valuable presence. Masaya tayo ngayong gabi dahil nagdiriwang tayo. Masarap ang pagkain natin dahil nagsasama-sama tayo. May the Lord bless the work of our hands.